Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy style. Man, I have this classic short hairstyle that is versatile, and you see this hair coat on your screen. You can see it can be tailored to really suit different face shapes and hair texture. One thing about this coat is a timeless haircut that can be worn in various lengths and styles, and is a hairstyle that can you can use the color of your choice if you want. And you can see is a hairstyle that really adds volume and movement to your short hair. You can see the cut is airy and it's a hedgy haircut that really involves cutting the hair very short, typically with clippers. You can see the style. One thing about the style, if you want that best fitting, is for you to have the top longer and the side and back shorter. It will give you that unique and bold look. This short hairstyle on your screen, you can see it really creates that contrasting look that is both stylish and low maintenance. One thing about the style, you can see it really is a haircut that will really look good and suit every face shape, hair texture, and also your lifestyle. It's a hairstyle for the working class women, or will I say the boss ladies. It's a hairstyle both for the matured older women. You can also rock this hairstyle even on your gray hair. So hairstyles can vary depending on your personal preferences and your hair type. And you can see the hairstyle is a great way for you to freshen up your look, and it will give you a youthful appearance. So you can see this hairstyle can add that youthful and edgy vibe to your look, and is a versatile and stylish option that can be customized to really suit your face shape and your hair texture. One thing about this haircut on your screen, it can draw attention to your eyes and your cheekbone, therefore creating that youthful and flirty looks. If you really want that youthful and flirty look, you want a hairstyle that will add a soft and feminine touch to your look while still maintaining modern and edgy style, try this haircut on your